Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your workspace admin has enabled the e-signature add-on. This gives you the tool inside Drive. Open the document you need and choose Open with the e-signature app so you can place fields directly. Once done, add signer emails and assign roles. This saves time later. Make sure to name the transaction and set signing order if required. You're now ready to place signature, date, and text fields. These are the first actionable steps that get the process moving. You'll now place fields, drag signature, date, and initial elements where needed. Align them for a clean layout so recipients know exactly where to sign. Then configure signing order and choose authentication. Email is standard. SMS adds extra verification, so you control who signs when. Once configured, toggle required checkboxes and include brief instructions for each signer so there's no confusion. Also attach any supporting documents. When everything looks right, preview the envelope to confirm layout and flow before sending. You send the document and then monitor status from the e-signature dashboard. Watch for sent, viewed, signed, or declined indicators so you know next steps. Once all signatures are in, download the final signed PDF and save it back to Drive. Be sure to attach the audit trail for legal proof. If a signer reports a problem, first verify authentication settings and resend the signing link. If that fails, revoke and recreate the envelope, or contact your admin or vendor support for deeper troubleshooting. This usually resolves stuck transactions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.